Hello students, so this is the final transformation we're going to learn, and so this one gets a little confusing because it sounds like transformation, but this one is a translation. So translation means that you are just taking the same shape and you are moving it. This is just like moving it, sliding it around your graph. So you're just going to listen to what the instructions say. We're going to go ahead and do the first example on the worksheet. So we are moving 5 units right and 1 unit up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move each point as it says. So let's start with T. So I'm going to move it 5 units right. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it takes us out here, and 1 unit up here. So that right here is where I'm going to put my point for the new T. All right, let's go ahead and do the same thing with G. So once again, here it starts. We move 5 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 unit up, and it ends up right here. And so we're going to plot that one as our new G. And then finally, you move B. And so this one's 5 units right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 unit up, and that is where he is going to end up. And so as you can see, when we connect our points here, we end up with the same triangle. It is just moved 5 units to the right and 1 unit up. So if you want, you can pick one point to move and then figure out what the rest of the triangle will look like. Or you can do what I did and move every single point over to be the new triangle. So that's a translation.